You believe you would never stop seeing another person as human. That belief is exactly where this investigation begins. Because the brain circuit that dehumanizes someone does not announce itself. It doesn't arrive wearing a uniform. It doesn't arrive carrying hatred. It arrives disguised as something far more innocent. Efficiency. Imagine meeting a stranger. Within seconds, your brain starts building shortcuts. Friend, enemy, customer, politician, boss, foreigner. A label appears, a category forms, and something strange happens. The richer picture starts fading. The question is not whether your brain does this. The question is, what disappears when it does? Most assume dehumanization begins with cruelty. History tells a different story. Long before violence appears, language changes. Names become labels. Stories become stereotypes. Complex lives become simple categories. The comfortable lie is that only bad people dehumanize. But your brain performs smaller versions every day. Not because you are cruel, because your brain hates complexity. A fully human being is difficult to process. A category is easy. Which raises an uncomfortable question. What if dehumanization is not a moral failure first? What if it is a cognitive shortcut first? Your brain operates like a map, not the territory, the map. A map leaves things out, otherwise it becomes unusable. Neuroscience reveals a constant filtering process. Millions of details arrive, only a fraction survive. The brain compresses reality. That compression helps you navigate life, but every shortcut has a cost. Imagine standing before an iceberg. The visible tip becomes the label. Everything beneath disappears. Dreams, fears, memories, contradictions, pain. The moment someone becomes one of them, the iceberg vanishes. Only the tip remains. The brain saves energy. Reality loses depth. But efficiency alone is not enough to explain this circuit. Something deeper is happening. Human beings create emotional obligations. Categories do not. A person can make you feel guilt. A category cannot. A person can challenge your assumptions. A category cannot. Think about a mask. The moment a mask covers a face, reading emotions becomes harder. Labels work the same way. They become psychological masks. The category stands in front. The person disappears behind it. And once the person disappears, empathy has less work to do. That is why dehumanization feels strangely effortless. Your brain has removed the emotional weight. Now we reach the deepest layer. The brain is not only seeking efficiency, it is protecting identity. Every identity creates a boundary, a tribe, a team, a belief, a side. Imagine a fortress surrounded by walls. The stronger the identity, the stronger the walls. Anything outside those walls feels threatening, not because it is dangerous, because it creates uncertainty. And the brain dislikes uncertainty more than almost anything. A fully human opponent is complicated. A category is predictable. Certainty feels safe. So the brain quietly chooses certainty, even when certainty comes at the expense of truth. This changes the entire investigation. The brain circuit that stops seeing people as human is not fundamentally about hatred. Hatred is usually the smoke, not the fire. The fire begins much earlier. It begins when complexity becomes inconvenient, when a story becomes a stereotype, when a face becomes a label, when a human becomes a category. The brain believes it is simplifying reality. In reality, it is shrinking it. And the most unsettling part? The circuit activates long before you notice, long before anger, long before contempt, long before conflict. The moment another person becomes less real in your mind, the process has already begun.
Maybe the most dangerous forms of dehumanization never make headlines. Maybe they happen quietly, inside ordinary conversations, inside everyday assumptions, inside moments so small they feel invisible. So when was the last time your brain replaced a person with a label? And if that happened today, who disappeared behind it?